Can AI actually help you write faster without turning everything into generic robot speak? That's the question keeping most business owners from using it, so let's answer it.
You need to write 3 sales emails, rewrite your homepage, and create a landing page for next week's launch. You think, if I use AI for this, won't everything sound generic and robotic? This is the fear that keeps most business owners from leveraging AI for copywriting. They're terrified of losing their unique voice, that distinct way of communicating that makes their brand recognizable. Here's the truth nobody talks about. AI doesn't erase your voice, poor prompting does. Your voice isn't just about word choice, it's about how you structure ideas, what you emphasize, what you skip over, how you handle objections, and the specific phrases you naturally gravitate toward. All of this can be systematically transferred to AI, but only if you do it intentionally. Let me walk you through the exact process for writing faster with AI while maintaining your authentic voice. First, create a brand voice document. Take 3 to 5 pieces of your best existing copy, emails that got responses, landing pages that converted, social posts that resonated, paste them into a document. These become your voice blueprint. The AI will reference these to understand your natural patterns. Second, identify your voice markers. Read through your samples and note, do you use short, punchy sentences or longer flowing ones? Do you ask lots of questions or make declarative statements? Do you use humor, sarcasm, or stay serious? Do you reference pop culture, use metaphors, tell stories? Write these patterns down explicitly. Third, create a prompt template that includes your voice markers. Start every AI copywriting request with, write this in my voice. Then define your voice by pasting in your samples for reference. List your key voice markers and patterns. This single step changes everything. Instead of getting generic AI copy, you get output that mirrors your natural communication style. Fourth, establish your topic authority boundaries. Your voice includes what you emphasize and what you don't. If you typically lead with customer pain points before solutions, tell the AI that. If you always include a specific type of proof, specify it. Your voice is as much about your strategic choices as your word choices. Fifth, refine through iteration. The first output won't be perfect, but instead of starting from scratch, you're editing copy that's already 70% there. Adjust the phrases that feel off, then save those corrections and add them to your voice template for next time. Your AI output gets closer to your natural voice with each iteration. Here's what this looks like in practice. Instead of spending 3 hours writing 3 sales emails from scratch, you spend 30 minutes creating detailed prompts with your voice markers, 10 minutes reviewing AI output, and 20 minutes refining the pieces that need your specific touch. That's 1 hour instead of 3, and the final product still sounds distinctly like you. The speed gain is significant, but the real value is consistency. Your voice stays recognizable across every piece of copy, whether you write it at 6 a.m. on Monday or 10 p.m. on Friday. The AI becomes a voice amplifier, not a voice replacement. The mistake most people make is treating AI like a magic button. Type a vague request, get generic output, then complain it doesn't sound like them. Of course it doesn't. You didn't teach it what like you means. But when you systematically transfer your voice patterns into your prompting system, everything changes. You write faster without the robotic feel. You maintain brand consistency without the time investment. You scale your content output without losing what makes your communication effective. Your voice is your competitive advantage. AI should amplify it, not erase it. Now, here's the challenge with all of this. Even when you nail the voice, there are other conversion elements that can break your copy. Things like weak value propositions, unclear calls to action, or missing credibility markers. That's where having a diagnostic tool helps, and I've got a free one for you. The AI copywriting checklist quickly identifies the most common conversion killers in any sales copy, whether you wrote it manually or with AI assistance. It helps you catch problems before you launch. Click the link in the description to get your free checklist.